Hello my lovely viewers all over the world, welcome to Online Money Hunter, where I teach you guys how to make money online without even spending much. My name still remains Rapidworkers. Do that left home to feed home. If you are new in my channel, please make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that once I upload video, you'll be the first person to watch. And being the first person to watch simply means that you'll be the first person to make money with my strategies. Okay? I'll be showing you 4 websites that you can make thousands of dollars every week. All you need to do is just to register with all these websites that I'm about to review to you, and you will start making money. The 4th one is the best out of all. Please, I want you to do is just watch from beginning to the end so that you will understand everything that I'm about to show you. All the website that I will be showing you here is legit. Okay, you will not pay any amount to join. All you need to do is just with your phone or laptop. That's all you need with data enable on it, and you are good to go. Okay, the first website that I'll be showing you is called Rapidworkers.com. Okay, in this website, all you need to be doing is just to do some micro job, to completing some task. That's the only thing you need to be doing. Okay, this is at Rapidworkers, tasks are accomplished fast. Okay, this is the only thing you need to be doing. Projects are low cost, employers are fulfilled, workers are happy and compensated promptly. Most of all, it's simple works. Wow. It simple works. Okay, that's all about this website. If you want to join this website, all you need to do is just to click on registration, and once you sign up here, you click on sign up. Okay, all you need to do is just to put your name, your username, your password and everything, and you are good to go. Okay, in my own case, I have signed up already. All I need to do is just to put my email, put my password, and click I'm not a robot. Here we are. And there's one for USA, there's one for international. If you are from Nigeria, South Africa, Ghana, and so on, all you need to be doing is our international ones. Okay, there's one for South Africa alone, there's one for international, there's one for USA, there's one for UK. Okay, you can also use VPN to do all those USA, but there's a lot of work you can do here without even using VPN. Okay, this one is international, this one is email and zip code submit. Okay, this one is for US. Okay, as you can see, this is the task you will be doing. Okay, this one you will be paying, they will pay you 50 cents. Okay, for completing this work. They will pay you 10 cents, 0.10 cents for completing this work, and this one they will pay you 0.15 cents to complete this work. So this website really pays. Okay, link to all these websites is in the description, so make sure you use the link to register. It's free of charge. Nobody is asking you for any money. Okay, there's nothing like registration fee. So all you need to be doing is all this work. It's very simple, and make sure you follow the guideline. Okay, the instruction is very important. Make sure you follow the instruction once you want to do any work here. All you need to do is just once you click on the work, then you follow the instruction here, and once you read the instruction, you can start the work. The work will not even take you up to 3 minutes. Okay, you are done with the work. So it's very simple and straight. So this is all about this website. All you need to do is use the link below to start with Rapidworkers.com, and you are good to go. Okay, it's just I don't have time because of my work to do some tasks here, but a lot of people have been doing tasks here and they are making a lot of money. Okay, the second website I'll be showing you here is called Clickworkers.com. Clickworker.com. This is another website that will pay you. Please, like I said, that in the last website is where you can make thousands of dollars every week. So make sure you join me till the end so that you will know everything about all these websites. Okay, those people specialize on making your AI system smarter with high quality, multi-faceted, okay, AI training data. That's all about this one. You can read everything about this website. Because of time, I want to complete all these websites without staying too long for this video. Okay, so all you need to do is just to make sure you read everything. The link to register is still in the description below. I made everything easy for you to do. Okay, all you need to do if you want to be part of this particular website, all you need to do is just to click on registration, okay, for customer or for Clickworker, anyone you want, just click on it. Once you click on this one, you can register. Okay, you can register. So the website is very simple and straight too. Okay, it's simple and straight. So let me log in and show you. Okay, let me log in. You click on I'm not a robot before you can log in. Log in. They also have their apps. You can still go to Play Store and download their apps so that you can start the work immediately. Okay, this is the work you'll be doing here. Okay, downloading the Clickworkers app, you earn 0.01 euro per job. Okay, you earn 5 euro for completing this particular work. So it's very simple and easy. All you need to do is just to sign up and start doing those tasks. And you can also register for all these websites, and you can make thousands of dollars weekly. If you are breastfeeding mom, this work is for you. If you're a student, okay, this work is for you. If you by any means have chance to do all those micro work, this work is for you. So all you need to do is just to register and start making money. It's very simple and easy, straight. Okay, this is all about Clickworkers. Okay, you can still go and do more research about it. Okay, you can do more research about it. Okay, the next one is called Peoplewalker. In my previous video, I detailed everything about Peoplewalker. If you go down, you will see the video where I show you everything you need to know about this Peoplewalker. This Peoplewalker is very okay to work with. Okay, this Peoplewalker is very good to work with. All you need to do is just to come to this registration, sign up here. Once you click on sign up, you will see everything. Make sure you put your details, everything about you here, and after that you can register. But in my own case, let me log in to show you inside how it looks like. If you still want to know more about this website, all you need to do is just to scroll down to my other videos. You will see everything you need to do. Okay, I still have like $1 plus some cents here because I give people job here to do. Okay, if you want to know how to give job to people to do for you, all you need to do is just to go and watch that video. Okay, all right, you can become a worker, you can become employee. Here you can switch to a worker or employee, anyone you want to do. Okay, this one, let me switch to workers. All right, this is how it look like. Okay, each work you do here, you earn. This one is just add this extension to your laptop. Okay, please make sure you read the instruction. Like I always tell you that you always read the instruction before you can do that, and after that you can screenshot and send it to them for verification. After that you earn 0.215 cents. Okay, that's amount you will earn after completing this work, and 97 people out of 300 have done this work. For you to know that this work, people are really doing it. Okay, the same second one, this person, the same thing. Okay, you can see swag box, add extension features. Okay, then you still earn 200 cents. Okay, and so on. There's one you can promote. Okay, there's one you can go to Facebook and like their page and comment. There's one you can go to YouTube and comment, like, and watch videos. Okay, it's very simple and easy to do. It's very simple and easy. So that's all you need to be doing in this website. Last but not least, let me show you the one that I say that you can make thousands of dollars every week. This one is called people per hour. People per hours. Okay, this one, a lot of people have been cashing out. See all you need to be doing in this website. After registration, you come here to sign up. Once you click on sign up, you can sign up, put your name, put your your email address, put your password and so on, and after that you are qualified to work for this website. Okay. See the things that we'll be doing. Engage your community, content writers. Okay, if you know how, if you can do all these content writers, you can also choose this one. If you can boast, okay, boast your traffic CEO, you can choose this one. Build your site, website developers, you can choose this one. A lot of people have been making thousands of dollars with this. This one look like or is similar to this Fiverr account. Okay, it's similar to Fiverr account. So you should take the advantage to start making money, because thousands of people come to visit this website every month. Okay, thousands of people visit this website every month, and a lot of people have been making money. Let me show you the proof to show you that people are making money. Okay, this one is logo design. If you know how to do logo design, you can come here and do that. Okay, tell your story, voiceover. You can do voiceover here and make a lot of money. Okay, let me just show you an example. Let me show you an example. Okay, this person record a voiceover in Ramen for up to 100 words. Okay, this person is charging $50 just for voiceover. And there's some software you can use to do all those things. All you need to do is just to, once the person asks you to do some voiceover for them, all you need to do is just to ask them the voice, as in if it's African voice, if it's American voice, if anything at all. You can go to that website, you know, to do all those things and come and submit it here. Okay, the website is similar to human voice. So all you need to do is, once you click the voice, the written notes there, you go to the website and paste it, and once you paste it, the website will translate it to voiceover. Then you can come here and submit it and collect your money. Very simple and easy. Okay, it's very simple. This person said that record a 2-minute voiceover in 24 hours, and this person charged $60 and so on. Okay, let me just pull up my calculator and just let me show you that people are making a lot of money here. Okay, this person is charging $60. Okay, $60 times, maybe in a week this person will have like 50 people, because a lot of traffic, people come here to search for all those things stuff. Okay, as you can see, this person will be making $3,000 weekly. Okay, that's to show you that you can make a lot of money. Please, if you want me to tell you the website that will translate voiceover for you, just in the description below, ask me to tell you the website, and I will tell you the website. Okay, and once you go to that website, you can do all those things that I'm telling you and make that cash for yourself. All you need to do is just, once you create your own, if you become a member of this website, you can, once somebody order, or once somebody wants you to do those work for them, you can go straight to that website and, you know, do everything and come here and submit it, and this person will pay you $50, $60, $30, and so on. A lot of people are paying for this website. So all you need to do, as you can see, those people, for you to know that this person, as you can see, this Grant B have done 118 work here. Okay, and this person is charging $40. This person have done 44. This person have done 3. This person have done 565. Okay, let's just check it. Let me show you how much this person have done since last year till now, and this person is at star 5. Okay, 5 star, to show you that this person is doing good. Okay, let's just calculate it for you to know that this person, those people are making real cash here. Okay, $25 times 565, $14,125.
Wow.
Can you see that? 14,000 something that somebody make in less than 1 year. That's to show you that people are making real cash. Okay, people are making real cash. As you can see, all those people are people like me and you. Okay, they are people like me and you. They are making a lot of cash. Can you see this person? 469, and this person is charging $50. Okay, and this one is 214, and this person is charging $25, and this person is 250 and is charging $65. For you to see that all those people are making real cash. They are making real cash. Okay, if you also want me to do some video on this particular website, people pay hour. Okay, if you want me to do video on this particular website, okay, to give you a detailed video on everything you should be doing, okay, because of time, like I said, that I don't want this video to be that long. All you need to do is just to sign up and start making money. Okay, let me here in the video, we hunt for the bag, big bag. That's the only thing we do. Please, if what I'm doing here pleases you, all you need to do is just to smash that subscription button, turn on the notification bell, and also smash that like button, okay, so that YouTube will recommend this video to other people. Okay, I want us to win together. That's my goal in this my channel. Okay, I want us to win together. Thank you for your time. Thank you for everything. Make sure you follow me on this my channel. Okay, this is Online Money Hunter. The only thing I do here is that I teach you how you can make money online. That's the only thing I do here. All my video is how to make money online. That's the only thing I teach you. Okay, all you need to do is just to make sure you watch all my video. Like this video, this is where I show you everything you need to know about Peoplewalkers. Okay, how you can start from $1, okay, to $200 per hour. This is the video I'm talking about. All you need to do is just to come here and watch the video. It's very important. All right, thank you for your time. Thank you for everything. If you want to register for all these websites, I will drop the link in the description. And thank you for your time. Tell me anything you want me to do. If you want me to do new video, tell me in the description below so that I will do the particular video for you. If you want me to do anything for you, just tell me.